In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add single or multiple file uploads to your Typeform on PC. To get started, open Typeform on your computer and head to the form you want to edit. Click your form to open it in the builder. From here, navigate to the exact place in your flow where you want people to upload a file. It might be after a personal details question or right before a final confirmation. Placing it thoughtfully helps respondents understand why you're asking for files and what they should prepare. When you're at the right spot, click the plus Add Content button and choose File Upload. This adds a dedicated upload question to your form. You'll see space to write clear instructions, like what type of file you need and any naming guidance. Keep that prompt specific and friendly so people know exactly what to submit. For example, if you're collecting resumes, say so plainly and mention preferred formats such as PDF or DOCX if that matters to you. If the upload is essential for submission, make it mandatory by turning on the required switch. This ensures respondents can't continue without adding a file, which is especially important for applications, assignments, or documentation requests. If the upload is optional, leave it off so people can skip it if they don't have the file ready. Sometimes you need more than one file. In that case, add a question group from the questions menu. A group lets you bundle related questions together, keeping your form neat and logically organized. Inside that group, add separate file upload questions for each file you need. For instance, you might have one for a resume, another for a portfolio sample, and a third for an ID document. Give each question its own short, descriptive text so respondents understand the difference and don't upload the wrong file in the wrong spot. Each file upload stands alone, so people can attach different files to each prompt, and you'll receive them clearly separated. As you set this up, think about clarity. Use straightforward labels, avoid jargon, and let people know why the file is needed. If you have guidance like maximum file size or preferred formats, include that right in the question text so there are no surprises. And remember, keeping the questions grouped and named well will make reviewing submissions faster and more reliable later. That's it. You've added a single file upload, made it required if needed, and set up a clean group for multiple uploads, all within your Typeform on PC.